The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. The fireworks at the Empire State Building was reported to have released a gas to the air. It is unknown why the gas are in these fireworks, but police will investigate the situation. In addition, reports of people who were exposed to the gas was reported to have been coughing and vomiting blood have been received by police. It is believed that this might be an infection but cannot be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, all residents within a 10-mile radius of New York City are advised to return to your homes immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department and the New York City Department of Health. Lenox Hill Hospital has reported a high number of patients infected with the gas from the fireworks that was in the Empire State Building. Symptoms of this infection include vomiting out blood, coughing, blurred vision, fever, chills, reddening of the eyes, headache, and in some cases, death. In addition, this virus is airborne and can spread through the water supply as well. Do not make contact with the infected. If you believe you or one of your loved ones are infected, call 911 immediately. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department and the New York City Department of Health. Residents of the city of New York, lock all your doors immediately. The people that were infected with the gas has been reported to have went into a transformation and attacked others. These creatures have the following characteristics: red skin, red eyes, bold heads, sharp claws, extreme speed and strength, large muscle mass, and extreme homicidal aggression. These creatures attack people by stabbing them with a knife or their claws. At this time, the National Guard has been called in to deal with this situation. As a precaution, all residents of New York City are advised to seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
An administrative message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. The attack on New York City has ended. The military was dispatched into the area and had killed all of the infected, and the virus was eradicated. The attack on New York City is now over. You can now exit your shelter. But please be aware that there is massive damage to the city of New York. The martial law is now lifted and you can exit your shelter. Normal programming will now resume. Your government thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.